And in Dell laptop like the Inspiron, the XPS, Dell Latitude like this one, when you just press and hold the FN key here and the button, you're gonna see here a message that's getting to that diagnostic mode, right? Let me just try this. So I press here FN and the power button, wait for a while. You're gonna see on the top right side diagnostic boot. So it's pretty fast. You see the message there, and it brings up this one, okay? So it's testing here everything, the graphic cards, the memory, and you just hit here yes to confirm the display is okay. Now you see that's testing the webcam. You see flashes the webcam and test flashes the LCD monitor as well, the processor fan, the processor itself, and also the memory, right? It's a long test here. I advise you to let it run and test everything. It takes like 4 minutes to test, but it's good. And then if there's something wrong, you can just talk to Dell or you can try to fix it, right? Let's say it's a RAM module, for example, you can just replace the module or you can clean the module and see if it works. And there's also the information here for the service tag. So if you need to talk to Dell or something, or update the BIOS or something, you can just come here and use this service tag. There's the model here on the top. So basically it's going to run the ePSA, okay? And let's just finish here. There we go. You see that it's working pretty fine here. The test is okay. I can just run extra test here for the memory. And all tests passed here, okay? You see that I didn't run the extra test for memory because mine is working. If yours is not, you can run the extra test. But here I'm just hit OK and I can exit, right? So if I exit here and if it's okay, everything okay here, you're gonna see that the computer is going to reboot. Leave your comments here, what works for you, what doesn't work for you, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.